so excited to be here with psychic Debbie Griggs, who in my life is a huge celebrity as far as
Oh,
I'm
thank you.
concerned. And you, like so many other people, inspired this podcast, whether you know it or not.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I blissfully found you over COVID when I started, just listening to some tarot, listening to some woo-woo people, and I just got to know my favorites, and you are for sure, hands down, one of my favorites
Oh, that's sweet.
because
Thank
you are
you.
just so delightful and you present to me like Melissa McCarthy with blonde hair.
I
Do, I
get told
don't,
that
do
a
you get
lot.
that from people?
Yep, I get that
Okay.
from Kathy Bates.
Oh, Kathy Bates, but not the
Yeah.
misery Kathy Bates. Like,
No, no.
no.
The mannerism and just kind of like telling it how it is kind of thing, you know.
Yeah. Well, and you're like from Minnesota. I know you always like to
Minnesota, yeah.
throw that in there. And I know you live where you live and you talk about it on your podcast. So, Debbie has, what is it, Tuesdays and Thursdays? You come up
Tuesdays and
live,
Thursdays now. Yeah. Yeah.
and it's I try to make it live because I just love the chat. Like there is
Yeah.
a whole community of people that you have cultivated. And there's so many things I love about you, but I just really want to honor you really do include us all. You are going squirrel. I know people have started to send you squirrels.
Yep.
Like,
You got squirreled in there.
and I'm a Gemini, because I've received
Yeah.
a couple of readings now with you. So I go squirrel with you, but you're trying to read the chat. You're trying to say thank you to the people donating, and you're trying to give us the information. And
Right.
so much fun. And I'd love you to tell people who you are, how you
Okay.
got into this business, and maybe how your shows developed and evolved just on your YouTube space, because I also want to get to your TV stuff and your ghost hunting grandmas and all the other ways that you're bringing healing to the beautiful people. You call us all beautiful people. I love that
Yep.
too. So take it away.
Okay. Well, like she said, I'm Debbie Griggs, and thank you for joining us. I've been intuitive all my life. Um, I turned it down. You can't turn it off. I folded it when I was about 12 years old because I had very intuitive. I've always got world predictions since I was a
Mm.
little kid. And I've always been interested in the other side. Death, the other dimensional space.